Today, I'm going to give you a quick little tutorial on editing the course navigation in a Canvas course. So here is my demo course, and when I'm talking about course navigation, I'm talking about this window, this column where it says Home, Announcements, Modules, Syllabus, etc. This is the course navigation for your students. You'll notice that the eyeball here is says it's disabled. The students don't see these items, but you do. Let me show you how you edit that and why we have set this up this way. So the first thing I'm going to do is scroll down to the bottom and click Settings. When you get to the Settings area, you'll notice that you have some tabs here in the middle. The third one over is called Navigation. In navigation, you will notice that the items that are visible are at the top. For example, Home, Announcements, Modules corresponds to here, Home, Announcements, Modules. So I can reorder and change these and save it, and it'll change over here. If I go down to the second half of this middle area, you'll notice that these things are disabled. So we recommend you disable Files and Pages because students will get lost in your files and pages and go in any order that they choose. And that could be detrimental if your course is very, very sequential. So this is why we have been highly recommending that you put modules and use modules throughout your course. You'll notice too that you can move things around. So let's just say it's really important for me to have Confer Zoom here. Okay, so I'm looking for it. Okay. Oh, and it is here. So it's enabled. Confer Zoom is here. And let's just say I want to move this higher up the chain. You can actually drag it and move it up higher up the chain because I want them to find the meetings that we have higher up the chain. And maybe syllabus will be higher up the chain. So notice I can move that all around. And then when I scroll down to the bottom, I click Save. Okay. When you click Save, all the items at the top are the same as over here on the left side. All the items that are hidden will have this hidden eye and students won't see them. Remember that you see everything. So let's go back to the home page. There you go. Okay, so you can move your navigation around, Home, Announcements, Modules, Syllabus, Confer Zoom. I think these are going to be the things I want them to see. I let them see grades. I let them talk to students in the class. I want them to have the NetTutor and Bookstore stuff. Okay, thank you for visiting. This was a quick tutorial.